Welcome to this video on creating Workset sets using Guardian's Workset Manager. This follows the overview video, so reviewing the introduction first is recommended for context on the feature's capabilities. The process begins by accessing the Workset Manager through the Settings drop-down menu. Sets are collections of worksets that can be applied to files when work sharing is enabled. Different sets might be created for various disciplines, client standards, or project typologies. Creating a set is straightforward. Selecting the Add New button and entering a unique name establishes the new set. With an active project open, clicking Assign to Project makes this the active set, allowing for curation of the workset list. Once the set is active, the list of worksets in the current project appears in grayscale, indicating they're part of the open project but not yet part of the set. This provides an efficient way to source standard worksets. Opening a file that contains standard worksets allows for adding those worksets to the set. Adding worksets to the set causes them to change from grayscale to black, with the green check mark appearing to indicate they're now part of both the set and the project. After adding worksets to the set, special icons can establish important standards. The star icon designates the default workset, in this case, core and shell. This workset automatically replaces workset 1 when work sharing is enabled. The grid head icon, assigned to QA levels and grids workset, automatically renames shared levels and grids to this workset when work sharing is enabled. Completely new worksets can also be added to the set without sourcing from existing files. Creating a new workset involves clicking Create New and entering a unique name. The pencil icon associated with each workset, when active without a strike-through, indicates the workset will be added to the project automatically when work sharing is enabled. Best practice involves activating this for commonly used worksets that should appear in every project, while leaving it inactive for circumstantial worksets to be added manually after work sharing is enabled. Testing the configuration requires creating a new file and enabling work sharing. Before enabling work sharing, registering the project and checking project configurations ensures the setting Write worksets from a set when work sharing is enabled is active, automating the process. Enabling work sharing demonstrates Guardian in action. As work sharing becomes enabled, Guardian's Workset Manager prompt appears, offering a choice from available sets for automatic workset creation. Selecting the newly created set displays the workset previously designated with the pencil icon. An option to run the workset rules places any existing elements onto the correct worksets based on established rules, a topic for a future video. Checking the workset list verifies the worksets have been created. Guardian successfully renames Shared Levels and Grids to QA Levels and Grids and Workset 1 to Core and Shell, as specified in the Workset Manager. This demonstrates the process of creating and configuring workset sets in Guardian. The feature streamlines establishing consistent worksets across projects, ensuring proper workset naming and organization from the start.